I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. 2 minutes later. 5 minutes later. Let's go back. Knife puppet! I'll report you to my office. So why did you pull the fire alarm? I don't know. You did. No, I did not. You're lying. Let's check the cameras. Okay. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Look, did you see that? Yeah. So you lied to me. Ha 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 ha. That's not funny. Ha ha ha. Go home right now. Ha ha ha. That's funny. Yes, Cena. Cena, stop laughing. Go to detention right now. Knife puppets. How dare you pull the fire alarm? But ow! It's not fire. It's not funny. You can only pull the fire alarm when there's a fire. If the devil comes here and sets the school on fire, you pull the fire alarm. And you disobey the school rules. That's it. You're grounded for your life. Go to bed. Where